Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. You see your girl Benny of Free Benny's Kitchen. Guess everyone is doing so right. If you are new here, welcome. If you are passing by for the first, if you have been following me, I say thank you so very much. Guys, today we are making this spicy millet drink. This drink is known in the northern part of my country, Nigeria, but today I'm making it in my kitchen. So guys, if you want to know how this drink is made, just watch to the end and tell me what you think, if I did it so well. So guys, let's start making our drink. So guys, for our spicy millet drink, this is the millet we'll be using. You can get this to buy in the store, cleaned and packaged, or you can get it where they sell grains in the market. You can see there are some shaft inside. At times you can even find some stones inside. All you need to do is to wash it thoroughly after soaking overnight. Some people like to wash theirs first, while some people like to wash theirs after it has been soaked. So I'll be soaking mine, and when it is the next day, I will now wash thoroughly to take out the shaft and then the stones. So what I'll do now is to get a bowl of water like so, pour in the millet. You can see that all the shaft will just be on top of the water. You don't need to stress yourself about that. You can see the bad ones are on the top and the shaft on the top too. So I'm going to leave it in this bowl till tomorrow. You have to soak your millet for as long as 8 hours or overnight to get a good result. So guys, I'll cover this bowl now, allow it to soak overnight, and then we'll continue. So guys, this is the next day. As you can see, there's a bit of fermentation here, and then all the dirt are on top of the millet soaked. So what I'll do now is to go over to the sink and wash thoroughly. You have to wash very, very well to take out the stones, the sand, and any other particle that will be in here. You have to wash as much as 4 to 3 times. So let's go over to the sink and let's start washing. So we are here now to wash. A lot of dirt is really inside of it, so I have to wash very, very well. You can see how dirty the water is. You have to wash until the water is clear. This is the first washing, and you can see very well I have some stones and some sand inside here. That is why you have to wash very, very well. Just keep washing, then changing the water. So guys, you can see how clear the water is now. This is the 5th time I'm washing. At times you can wash as more than 5 times or less, but it depends on how dirty your millet is. So now I can take them out of the water while we go and blend. So guys, this is our washed millet, and for us to have our spicy millet drink, we'll be adding other things to make it more spicy, so creamy, and everything you know about taking healthy spicy millet drink. So this is the millet. We're adding some coconut for cream. Let it be so creamy. Then we'll be adding some dates. The date is for sweetness. We don't have to add sugar. We'll be using soft date for our sweetener. Then I have ginger here. I have black pepper. I have clove. And I have mint leaf to make it minty. Then I have dry pepper. But guys, if you know you cannot tolerate heat, then just minimize what you have to put when you are making yours. So guys, I don't have my Buchi blender, so I'm going to be blending mine twice because I don't want to have premium tears to hear that my blender is scattered. So I'll be blending this twice so that it will be so smooth. So now I've added the millets. I'll just have everything into two so that it will be so equal. Then I've added coconut, some black pepper, then the ginger, mint leaf, then clove. Then I have the dates, add some dates, then I'll add some pepper, then I'll add water, add enough water. So guys, after blending, this is what we have. You see how it is looking. So I'll add in some hot water to make it a bit free. Just adding some boiling water, like so. Stir it very well, and then get your cheesecloth or your sieve to start sieving. So this is what we have here. Let me get my cheesecloth. So guys, the cheesecloth is on. So I'll just take my cup and I'll start scooping it a bit. Just be doing it gradually. Let all the juice pour into the bowl, underneath the bowl, or rather inside the bowl. It's English, you know, easier. The coconut I added was so strong. It didn't blend well, but it won't make any difference. See, it's still creamy. So this is what you'll be doing until you extract all the juice. I can already perceive the aroma of this our spicy millet drink. It's good for this hot weather. Put your ice block. The weather is so hot in Nigeria now, and this is just what you need. And it is packed full of nutrients. Your ginger does its work, black pepper does its work, antioxidant, everything is packed inside this place. So guys, just keep pouring in and keep stirring until you get out all the juice. So at this point now, I'm done sieving, but I can see that I still have some milk in there. So I'll just add some more water to take out the milk. You have to do this until this top is looking so light. At a point, you have to come with your hand and walk. You have to use your hand to squeeze. I see having some milk in there, adding water. You just be adding water until you feel that the milk are all is no longer there. So at this point, I'll just take out the sieve and then I'll squeeze it. Wash your hand very well, or you can wear your hand glove and then you squeeze it very, very well. You have to be careful when you are doing this so you don't pour the shaft back into the milk. So it's now time for me to squeeze. Squeeze it very well until every single milk is out. Yeah, you can see. Let me show you the shaft. You can see what we have here. Just touching it, you feel that all the milk is out. I don't know what to do with this, but if you know what I can do with this shaft, then let me know in the comment section. I know you can feed your chicken or some animals with this one. Just let me know in the comment section what you can do with this. So guys, this is what we have. We are not done yet because we still have to sieve it so that all the shaft will be out of this place. So we are going for the second sieving now. See how creamy it looks? This is healthy, creamy millet drink. See how creamy? No sugar, no milk for those who don't take milk. This is just the best for you. So guys, let's go on with the second sieve. So we are sieving for the second time now. You can sieve as much as 3 times so that all the shaft will be out. So you can see the sieve, you see have some small particles. See, that is why it's good for you to use a sieve that has small holes. You can see some particles in there. So our spicy millet drink is ready, and this can be served with cool ice block. Guys, you can actually start a business with this if you want to. But if you are starting a business with this, don't use your blender at home. Go to the commercial blender. Guys, if you are watched up to this moment and you're passing by for the first time, I say thank you very much. If you have been following me, I also say thank you very much. Keep liking my videos, keep sharing. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you haven't followed me, please follow me. Follow me and follow me. Thank you so very much. So guys, to be sure I don't have any more shaft in my milk, I'll be saving for the third time. But it depends on how yours is, and you can now do otherwise. I just want to be sure, and I want to take something that is so good. You can see I'm still seeing some particles there. So it's a good thing I came and did the third time. You can see, you still have some particles. So this is okay now. This is our spicy millet drink. So my people, it is now time to drink. We now have to score our result now. You can see I have some ice block in here. So let me just add some. Let me have a taste of it. Mmm. Mmm. This is so spicy. The sugar, as per the date, is okay. The coconut is made it so creamy. Guys, just go and try us and let me know how it came out in the comment section. Thank you for watching till this moment, guys. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.